Hi
Hi,
Tina,
hi, hi,
how
hi.
are you?
I am so sorry. I think I'm 3 minutes late.
No problem, no problem. I think, and how many congrats for the newly married life. How is everything going?
Thank you so much. Everything is going great. How are you?
I am fine. Do you feel any different? I know you know Neil for a very long time, but do you
Yes,
feel
I
any?
know Neil for a very long time. I know my in-laws for a very long time. And the only difference is that I'm waking up in a different house and in a different room. I don't think apart from that till now I have felt any major difference.
So Neil has started not started behaving like a husband suddenly. कि सुबह आलू के पराठे बनाओ ऐसा कुछ.
No, no, he can never behave like a typical husband. I feel we are more of friends, and I think that's the best part about our marriage or our partnership, whatever you call it, that we are
Hmm.
first friends and then husband wife or whatever
No,
relationship. So I don't think that he can never be a typical husband and say ye banao, wo banao, ye khana hai, mujhe wo khana hai, never. But then yeah, sometimes when he says that I feel like having this, so even I feel like making it because I love to cook. So it's like that.
और and you are not behaving like the आज कहाँ गए थे आज किससे मिले हो. You've not started behaving like.
No, 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 no. I have never behaved like that ever. Okay, and I
Uh,
don't think I can be that typical wife also. And moreover, he tells me where he goes or with who he is. So that is very transparent between us, and
hmm.
that's why we don't need to ask that where are you, with
I
whom you are, this
no I
and that.
no if I can say you're a great Jodi because I saw both of you at Biryani by Kilo Gariyat outlet in January.
Yes,
We got
yes, yes.
so
And the
I
food was amazing that day, amazing. Like we both are biryani lovers. Like
hmm.
mutton biryani is our favorite. But then not only the food, I think the way you've given it, the presentation, the way the staff was, I think everything, the overall package was amazing. Especially what you call, I don't know, that candle, small candle which you have given, which was constantly, eating the biryani. I think that was the best part of it. I think only Biryani by Kilo gives such a innovative thing to all the customers. So, and the galati kebab was my favorite.
Yeah,
I told you
it,
also that time.
I
I
remember
think that's one of the best galati kebab I had till now.
no, and I hope you guys keep trying our mutton galotis and biryanis. And I think in Calcutta, people of course get very good Calcutta biryani, but biryani by kilo also has Hyderabadi and Lucknowi, which is very different,
Right.
and lot of
We
Islamic
get,
cuisine.
we get a flavors of variety of biryani, I feel.
Right, right, right. और
And
आपने
not only that, surprisingly, you guys have a lot of good veg items as well.
yes,
Like the kebab, you made me eat of veg. I don't know what I forgot the name, but then that was also excellent. We did not even feel that we were missing out on the mutton galati and all of that. So that
yeah,
was also
that's
fantastic.
yeah, that's veg galati, and we have like from veg biryani to kathal biryani to paneer to chole biryani. So we have very wide selection of vegetarian or desserts as well. So, and now we already have 50
And the
outlets.
firni was also very good. So you named the desert, and I just recalled.
Uh,
I think biryani by kilo have one of the most different kind of firni you people serve, and it's amazing. It's amazing. It was
you know, th-
amazing.
and I'll also tell you that we already are celebrating 50th outlet. So we have opened
Oh,
since we outlets in Lower Parel, Mumbai, Guwahati, Gurgaon, one more. So we have 50 outlets in 20 cities in India. If you're traveling, you can eat in Mumbai to Pune to Bhubaneswar to Nagpur, Jaipur, Lucknow. A big,
congratulations! First of all, so happy to hear that, and
uh,
I wish that we'll get more outlet in Kolkata as well, so
yes,
that
yes,
wherever
yes,
we go, whichever part of Kolkata we are
yes,
in,
yes,
we can able to order from biryani by kilo, or go
yes.
right away and have it from there.
So we already have two outlets, one in Salt Lake, one in Gariyat, and third one
Yeah,
should be
that I'm
opening soon.
aware of, but then we are
Yes, yes,
waiting for
third one.
more.
Yes, 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 of course. And आप बताइए कि कैसा रहा आप I think you guys of course got married on the Valentine Day, right? 14
Yeah,
February.
our reception was on the Valentine's Day.
Okay.
So
Reception was
yeah, it was really special, and I think it was one of the best Valentine's Day we all spent. Reception था तो चलो ठीक है, लेकिन our entire family was there, So that is also a plus point, because normally during Valentine's Days we don't get to spend with families. But then
Right.
when your entire families are there, your parents are there, your friends are there. So I don't think that we could have had a better Valentine's Day.
So a lot of celebrities came, a lot of politicians came, big get together, big.
You know, like they are all friends. Like we have literally, due to this COVID situation, we had to maintain the number. So we just call people who are our really close friend, really close entity, be it politicians, be it celebrities. Like for you guys, they are celebrities or they're politicians, but then for us, they are friends.
Friends.
So we have called really close people only, and we have stuck to that, and not
And
not really everyone.
so were you able to take some leave from your shooting, honeymoon वगैरह कहीं गए या अभी
नहीं,
not
हनीमून के लिए तो अभी तक छुट्टी नहीं मिला, लेकिन जैसे भी हनीमून के लिए छुट्टी मिलता है, we are just waiting to go.
waiting to go? So when is it planned? कुछ मार्च, अप्रैल, मई कहाँ पे प्लान करा हुआ है? कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप?
No, we haven't planned anything yet because it all depends on the holidays we are getting. So till then, we are going to party with biryani by kilo, having some nice biryani and good food.
But छोटा मोटा कलकत्ता के पास are there places where you can go for few hours में weekend करके आ जाओ? Are there places near Calcutta like that? Some hill stations?
Yes. There are lot of places, but then वही एक दो दिन अभी मिलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है because we both are having really hectic schedule. But then let's see. We are planning something really soon. I believe we will be able to go.
No, I'm sure. And have you guys been offered some movies together or series together, like anything where the
Not right now, because right now we are doing 2 hit shows at 2 respective channel as leads already. So people know that how busy and occupied we are right now. But then hopefully we'll get sometime really soon.
but you have never worked with Neil together, right? In any movies?
Yes, we have worked for a short film, but really
Okay.
not a long, feature. But then let's see, fingers crossed. Hopefully we'll get something to do together.
So a lot of people are wishing you. I think you want to pick up any.
Yeah. Okay, whoever has joined me in this chat, I would say hello, guys, and thank you so much for joining with us. And love to all of you and people who are calling me by my character name, Gungun. From Gungun also lots and lots of love. And today, as you can see, I'm with the person who is behind Biryani by Kilo. So I would just recommend all of you, just don't listen to me. But then I would recommend you, please go taste the food, and then you people will come back to me and say a thank you. I'm sure about that.
Then it's coming from a bong person who knows her biryani and kebabs. It's
No,
a
I'm
big-
a foodie, at the end of the day, I love food. Like Neil also loves food. So we both are like big time foodie, and biryani being our favorite. We go to places to have biryani, chaat, North Indian dishes and Punjabi dishes. So like that we can compare, यहाँ का बिरयानी उतना
Yes.
अच्छा नहीं था, यहाँ का बिरयानी बहुत अच्छा था. So like that we can compare. So उस हिसाब से I can tell you that biryani by Kilo
Yes.
have a different taste altogether.
Yes. And I know you also cook a bit or lot, right? So what do you like to
Yeah.
cook? Your favorites and what
I
do you
love
like?
to cook overall. I have tried biryani, but then it did not turn out to be, I don't know whether it was a biryani or not. But then I think I'll keep on trying to make that perfect biryani. I don't know when that will be though.
And I keep going through your Insta, the kind of videos you do, the dances, the way you do the face. You are a natural. Have you learned dance somewhere? Like how you dance?
Yeah, I learned dance like during my childhood days, around 12, 14 years. I did learn dance,
okay.
but then these videos, it's only for entertainment purpose. That's it. Because I want my people, like my audience. See, we are entertainers at the end of the day. Like our audience watches us, give us all the love and blessing only because they get entertained. Maybe if someone comes to my profile, they will just share a smile. That's the only intention of all these videos and everything, and that just makes me happy at the end of the day. So I believe that that's all matters. You stay happy and you spread happiness. That's it.
Yes. But I think your videos on your Insta are very, very entertaining, I must say. I
Thank you
just
so much. Thank you.
if I am anytime feeling a bit low or bored, I go to your Insta, I watch some videos, and I'm up.
See, that is the kind of compliment or blessing, we all want and we all crave for, being entertainers and artists as well. So if we can put a small smile on someone's face just by a 15 or 30 seconds video, I think
Uh,
it's amazing.
and I have seen these two girls in your videos when you do dance. Put who are
Oh
these
yeah,
two?
they are like very good friends of mine, and we are in the same serial right now. So even they like to do all
They
these
like.
stuff, and so we are good friends. So we just do it together.
आप अपने सेट पर ही कर देते हैं तो सेट पे while you get time you will make
हाँ
these
हाँ,
videos.
जहाँ टाइम मिलता है, like it doesn't matter where I am, what I am doing. चलो यार, 2 मिनट है, 3 मिनट है, आधा घंटा है, चलो कुछ कर लेते हैं.
Yeah. And what else is new in your life? कहीं कुछ like anything new you watched on OTT, Netflix, some Prime, something new which caught your
Yeah,
eye?
I just got over with this film, The Girl on the Train,
Oh
and
wow.
then we have also watched this series, that Saif Ali Khan series. Shit, I'm forgetting the name.
किसकी who is
Tandav.
this? Tandav. Yeah,
Tandav,
Tandav.
Tandav. Right now, my mother-in-law just reminded me. I
Okay.
forgot the name. I'm very bad with names. So we just finished watching this series, Tandav, and yeah, I'm planning to watch Drishyam 2 also, but since it's in South Indian language, and
Okay.
it will get a little difficult, but then I will watch it.
Oh, okay. And who are your favorite actors, if you can say, in Bollywood
My
or
all-time favorite is Shah Rukh Khan.
okay.
Like, he is like here for me. That he's my all-time favorite. Like, no matter what he does, the person he is, I think overall, I just admire him the way he is. So he's my
Yeah.
all-time favorite. Actress,
And
there are many. It depends.
many.
I like Vidya Balan. I really like her. Then Kajol. I like Pariniti Chopra too. Recently,
Okay.
I've seen her work. It's
Lot
really
of
good.
lot of you
Alia
named
Bhatt is also very good.
you
So
named
yeah.
lot of Bengali actress, Kajol, Vidya Balan, lot of Bong actress.
Bengali actors, there are many, I feel
Uh,
Bengal has got a lot of talent. Like,
yes.
maybe from other place I can choose, but in Bengali, everyone, I like something or the other I like from everyone. Like people
Hmm.
who are doing television, or people who are doing films, or people who are doing both. Everyone have something very good in them. So
Yes.
everyone is very talented. So I am no one to judge from my
Yes.
own fraternity. I can only admire them.
So is your series detective? Is it a bit like Vidya Balan's Kahani? Is it like that?
Not at all, not at all. My series, Detective, it is a story adapted from Rabindranath Tagore's novel. So it is made on that. So there is no similarity at all.
Okay, no similarity. Any other new projects coming which people should know you are going to do something on the anvil?
Not right now. Not right now. Whenever something new is there, I always make my friends, my fans, my family. I always tell them. I'm very open about it. So I will definitely share with them whenever something new comes up.
Hmm. And any other message you want to give to your fans before we leave? Anything?
Yeah, I just want to tell them that like just one last thing, the COVID is still there, so just be
Hmm.
careful and please take care of yourself. Vaccine is out. Whoever can, please take the vaccine, and don't forget to wear your mask. Number one. Number two is eat good food, healthy food, and healthy good food you will get at Biryani by Kilo, because I know that they make it with utmost safety measures. I've seen it with my
Yes.
own eyes. So please don't think that if I have biryani I'll fall ill and all. No, it will not happen. Everything is very fresh. So once you have it, you will know that it's fresh. So biryani can also be healthy with Biryani by Kilo. So do visit their store and have good food. So good food normally makes you happy. So staying
Yes.
happy is very important. Stay happy and spread happiness. That's all I want to say. And keep loving me and blessing me.
Of course, and before we leave, I'll also like to say when you said biryani by kilo is safe and we're very fresh, we're the only company to make fresh biryani in for every individual order, and we deliver it
Right,
in.
right, right. So I just like to add that I've seen with my own eyes, like they make in a different handis. You
And
people call
yes,
maybe,
and
yeah. You people make different handis for different individual for customers. So it's not made like once or all and then given
yes,
from there, which is done. So I'm sure that you people is going to love the experience and
uh,
love the food.
and also if you have to order, you can either order from www.biryanibykilo.com or you can download Biryani by Kilo app, or we have a all India call center number 955212 or Zomato Swiggy. And we wish you and Neil a very happy married life
Thank
and
you so much.
lot
Thank
of
you.
success, good health, and prosperity. We
Thank you
thank
so much.
you so.
Take care of yourself. Lots of love and all
Yes,
the best.
give my love to Neil as well and regards. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely. I will.
Bye.
Okay, bye.